This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Ford Taurus key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, that you wish to program. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Close all the vehicle doors securely. Finally, have your ignition key ready, as you will need it for several steps in this straightforward process. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience for all your key fobs. To begin, insert your ignition key into the vehicle. Now, turn the key from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times in rapid succession, within 10 seconds. It's crucial to end with the key in the RUN position on the 8th turn. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when the door locks automatically cycle, indicating the vehicle is ready to learn new key fob codes. This step is the gateway to syncing your new fob. Once the door locks cycle, you have about 20 seconds to program your first key fob. Simply press any button on the key fob you wish to program. The door locks will cycle once more, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. For any additional key fobs, repeat this exact step, pressing a button on each one. Remember to complete all programming within that initial 20-second time frame for all your devices. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Then, remove the key from the ignition entirely. Now, it's time to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Walk around the vehicle and press the lock and unlock buttons on every fob. Verify that all functions, including the trunk release or panic button, work as expected. This final check ensures your key fobs are fully operational and ready for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.